Hello there. Remember me? I'm Miss Jean with Calm. We're going to visit my classroom today. I always get to come to your classroom, so today you get to come to my classroom. And I have all the great things that we have in our own classrooms. But since we're doing things from home, I decided to make my classroom from home. Today we're just going to do our simple reminders about calming. And remember our breathing icons. Miss Jean has to practice these herself too, so we can keep in practice every day. Read along with me. You'll remember this once you see this, so I want to hear it. I can calm. Very good. Our first one is I can star. Now for star breathing, that's our favorite. You know, I love the star breathing. I come in and you see me look like a star, and I go, stop, smile, take a deep breath, and relax. Oh, you're doing it so well. See? You're remembering. You remember how to do these. And if not, we're going to do them all together and practice. Our next page is I can drain. Our drain breathing. That's pretty easy. It's simple. Here's your switch. One more. Oh, it feels so good already. Look at you reading along with me. Now I know a lot of yous remember this one because this is our favorite. I know I like it. I like to blow up balloons. I like to feel good and remember. I can balloon. Look at you. Look at you. Look at a balloon breath. Begin. One more. Look at that. It's perfect. You blew up your balloon. I love it. This one we always laugh at because half the time we're standing up and sometimes we want to fall because we try to cross our legs over. So if you're sitting, cross your legs. If you're standing, cross your legs. And now you can start by I can pretzel. All right, those legs are crossed. All right, my arms are going to cross now. And my thumbs are going to come up under my chin. Then my tongue's going to go on the roof of my mouth. And we're going to breathe in. Those bellies going out. Breathe in, have those bellies go out. Perfect. My gosh, I brought my bunny along for the next one. I can bunny breathe. Love this? All right, we're ready. I just decided to make my bunny ears with my 2 fingers. It's the simplest for now. Ready? Breathe. Perfect. Oh my gosh, you're so good at this. You know you're going to teach your whole family these things too. I hope everybody's doing this with us. It's a lot of fun. It's a great family activity. And here, remember when we sit down for circle time? We love to cross our legs, crisscross applesauce. There we go. And we're going to I can do breathing arms. So let's do it. Ready? Begin. Belly's out. Breathe in. We can do that when we sit down for dinner or any time that we want to get together. It's always a good feeling and release. And last but not least, yep, you know it. You did it. You did it. I'm so proud of you. I'm so glad you came to my classroom today. I have a special activity that you can try at home. and it might be helpful. And you can make your own I Can Calm book. Excuse me. I Can Calm book. Look at that. You can make your smiley face, get your paper, your glue out, your scissors. You can take pictures if you want, or you can just make your own pictures. I can star. Look, you can star breathe. And show yourself star breathing. Then you can I can balloon. Look at that. Oh, it's so easy. Next one, I can drain. Remember your drain. You got this. And look, your last one, your pretzel. Remember doing the pretzel? Look at that. That pretzel, we got it. And last but not least, you did it. So get your crayons out, get your scissors out, get your smiley faces out, get your calm on, and breathe. It was nice to see everybody. We'll come back to my classroom another day, and I have some great books I can read. You know you love my books when I bring them in. So now it's going to be my classroom. Till we meet again, have a good day, and remember to smile and breathe. Bye now.